Hey everyone, welcome back to our medicinal plant series where we delve into the incredible world of plants with healing properties. In this episode, we're exploring the fascinating aloe vera, a plant renowned for its numerous health benefits and long-standing use in traditional medicine. Let's start off with some lesser-known facts about aloe vera. Did you know that aloe vera is one of the oldest plants documented for its medicinal use? Ancient Egyptians called it the plant of immortality and used it in various beauty and health treatments over 6,000 years ago. Also, aloe vera can survive for long periods without water by sealing moisture within its leaves. This resilience symbolizes strength and survival across cultures. Aloe vera's medicinal properties have been celebrated across cultures and epochs. Historically, it was used by the Greeks and Romans to treat wounds by Cleopatra to maintain her skin's health. In traditional Indian medicine, aloe vera is called Grit Kumari and is used to balance the body's doshas. Scientifically, aloe vera's medicinal qualities are attributed to its rich composition of bioactive compounds that support skin health, digestion, and immune function. Aloe vera contains over 75 potentially active components including vitamins, enzymes, minerals, sugars, lignin, saponins, salicylic acids, and amino acids. Key compounds like alanine and aloe-imodin contribute to its laxative effects, while ace-madin enhances immune function. The plant's high concentration of antioxidants such as vitamin C and E support its use in skincare. Aloe vera is a versatile medicinal plant used both internally and externally. Its gel is renowned for treating skin conditions like burns, wounds, and acne, thanks to its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties. Internally, aloe vera juice is consumed to aid digestion, soothe stomach ulcers, and improve hydration. Some studies suggest it may even help regulate blood sugar levels. Preparing aloe vera for medicinal use is straightforward. For skin applications, simply cut a leaf, scoop out the gel, and apply it directly to the affected area. For internal use, aloe vera juice is made by blending the gel with water or fruit juice. The recommended dosage for aloe vera juice is about 1 to 2 teaspoons daily, but it's crucial to ensure the latex, a bitter yellow substance found just beneath the skin, is removed as it can cause digestive issues. Aloe vera can be used in a variety of recipes. Add aloe vera gel to smoothies for a hydrating boost, or mix it with honey and lemon for a soothing throat remedy. For topical use, create a homemade face mask by combining aloe vera gel with turmeric and honey to enhance skin glow and reduce inflammation. While aloe vera is generally safe for most people, there are some precautions to keep in mind. Aloe vera latex found in the outer leaf can cause cramping and diarrhea if ingested in large amounts. Pregnant or breastfeeding women and individuals with bowel disorders should consult a healthcare provider before using aloe vera internally. Additionally, always perform a patch test before using aloe vera on your skin to check for allergic reactions. Aloe vera is widely available and legal to use in most countries, but it's important to source it ethically. Overharvesting in the wild can threaten local ecosystems. Consider growing your aloe vera or purchasing from reputable suppliers that adhere to sustainable practices. Be cautious when using commercially available aloe vera products, as they may contain additives or lower concentrations of active compounds. Aloe vera is truly a gift from nature, offering a wide range of health benefits that have been recognized for millennia. Whether you're using it to soothe a sunburn or to boost digestion, aloe vera is a powerful addition to your natural medicine cabinet. Thanks for watching this episode of our Medicinal Plant series. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of plants that heal.